Welcome back to another video. It's me, Beat on here. Got a little update for you guys of a new modification I have just installed. Oh, we got the man in the box Fender Eliminator. Looks way cleaner in the back. Got rid of that big chunky black piece that was on it. It's just so unnecessary. It's just not needed. But coming soon is the Yoshimura RS3 full system exhaust that I'll be putting on probably Monday because I'm waiting for my ECU flash to get into the mail. And I already got the Chimera short ram air intake. Here's my Chimera short ram air intake with the K&N Performance air filter. So we'll get rid of this big box and we'll get rid of this big exhaust. Should look a lot cleaner. Shout out to this beautiful yellow NSX in the background. But yeah guys, stay tuned because this monkey is about to rip. A little side note, if you guys want a little video of the 2000 Acura NSX, let me know. It's pretty pristine. Yeah, let me know down below. But for now, we're keeping it classic.